Right now, you don't need to think about the result. The result will take care of itself. Your job is to attempt the examination with a clear mind, a positive attitude, and your best effort. And that's it. Just take one question at a time, one step at a time. You've done your part. Now trust yourself, give your best shot, and leave the rest. No matter what happens, this is not the end. It's the beginning of many opportunities. So stay calm, stay focused, and give it your best shot. All the best for IIT Jam.